David Roma from the Drive Agency. I do a lot of web development work on HubSpot CMS, and I wanted to talk to you about two features of HubSpot CMS that I particularly love, both from a web developer's perspective and a business owner's perspective. The first feature is local development workflow. As a web developer, we want to write code in an environment that we're comfortable with. And with HubSpot CMS, you can use the local development environment that you're comfortable with to write code on HubSpot CMS. So whether it's Atom Editor like the one I'm in now or VS Code, you can set up your local development workflow. It takes about 5 minutes and run one command, a watch command, and that'll sync your local development and your local file system and all your local code with your HubSpot CMS online portal. So it's really a seamless experience for developers, and I know as a developer myself, I really like it. So this is my local development environment for a website that I'm building for a client now, and all I have to do, and this is my HubSpot portal. These are the design tools within HubSpot, right? So I want to build in here. I want to build in Atom. So all I have to do is once I set up my development workflow with HubSpot CMS locally, I can run one command, this watch command, and it's going to sync all my local files to the HubSpot CMS hosted version of all my files, whether it's my production environment or my staging environment. So now you're seeing everything sync right now. And then once this is done, it's basically uploading any files that have changed. And now, anytime I save a file locally, it'll be synced with my HubSpot CMS hosted website. So this is really good. It's a really intuitive and sort of familiar experience for developers. So this is one thing as a developer that I really like. From a business owner standpoint, I built a lot of websites for HubSpot CMS for my clients on HubSpot CMS, and my clients love the fact that HubSpot CMS on their end gives them a really clean and intuitive experience around editing the website and managing and maintaining the website. A lot of my clients are other HubSpot agencies that may not have developers at the agency, or maybe it's just a business, who has a marketing team but no engineers, and they're not really technical, so they can't really. They don't want to dive into the code every time they need to make a change. So with HubSpot CMS, it's nice because it's flexible enough for the developer in the sense that it gives me the opportunity and ability to create custom coded web pages that my clients can go in and maintain and manage on their own without needing to know how to code. So it's really good from a business perspective as well. As an example, this is a homepage of a website I'm building right now. My client can just pop right in here, click edit, and now they have access to the entire page, and all the modules become editable. So on the left-hand side, they have a list of all the modules that they can edit. And on the right-hand side is a preview version of the website, right? So it's really easy and intuitive for them. And now they know all they have to do is just hover over whatever module they want to edit, and it becomes editable. And they can go in and make any changes they want to the text. Maybe they want to swap out the background image. The whole entire site becomes editable and maintainable by somebody that doesn't know how to code. Not only can they manage the content, but they can update settings like metadata, title tags, and they can even get SEO optimization tips. So all in all, HubSpot CMS is a great platform for developers to build on, and a really excellent environment for non-technical people who don't know how to code to manage an entire website. As a developer, as a business owner, I highly recommend HubSpot CMS.